Each issue in Jira lives its own life, which affects the general state of your projects. From the moment of creation, it can be transferred from one assignee to others, who are changing its statuses, priorities, adding descriptions, labels, etc. Now, the question to you. What is the first information you check for your projects and issues? Were there any status updates, new comments added, or description changed? Find out what changes were made to all issues in your projects. When modifications occurred, which user is responsible for updates? Customize the report to your needs and export it for further analysis. Get an excellent database for an audit of your teamwork. Additionally, you can track and restore deleted issues. Revert changes made to the description. And we are constantly working on improving the app and have releases every week, so you will definitely find something new if you start your work now. Come and check out. Your free trial is waiting in the description under the video.